welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be showing y'all what is on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm gonna be giving y'all a little bit of update since the last one I did was like fall theme. So I'm gonna show y'all what's on my iPhone right now. It's pretty the same like how everybody else has on their phone, like, you know, the same app. I just want to show y'all like an update of what my phone looks like now, what if I have any different widgets, or is it like a theme. So I wanted to show y'all what's the new update on my phone. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. That will help me and my channel. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna have a little screen showing like my phone. But before we get into that, my phone case is from Walmart. It's this light pink shade, and I'm just gonna show y'all. It's light pink shade and it has some suede inside. Y'all can see. It has like some suede inside so it can protect my phone case. And this is my phone. It's the white version with silver. This is the silver one, and then it has a glossy on the side just to show y'all what my phone looks like. So I had this pink case and it was like I think $12, $8, $10. It's really good and it's really sturdy for my phone. It's doing a pretty good job at protecting my phone, and I do also have a screen protector that's tinted and I got from the brand OtterBox. So yeah, this is I forget what brand this is, but I did do an unboxing on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I have that video too. So yeah, this protects my phone. It's like rubber and it like makes you hold your phone like very strong. It doesn't like slip out of your hands or anything like that. So I like it like that, and it's pretty, and it goes with mostly all my photos. When I take pictures, I like the light pink aesthetic look with the white peeking out. So I like how it looks like that. And you can get this case off of Walmart, and they do have another dupe like this at Target. So if you're wanting a different one, they have the same one like at Target, which is a different brand, but I don't know how much that one is. But yes, they do sell this in a different color, or you can get some wildflower cases or Casetify. I heard those are really two popular ones. I am definitely thinking about like getting a wildflower case. I really want the one that's just looks like my phone right here. I really want to get that kind of phone case, but it's like it's out of stock in my size of my phone, so I'm like pretty upset. I'm like, I really want to get the phone case. It's kind of hard because like I don't like to spend so much money on phone cases because, you know, I've been getting a new phone every 2 years, so it's like my plan and stuff like that. So it's like kind of hard. Like I don't want to buy so many phone cases for my phone, but I like to have one. But like I really want that brown one. It's like really cute. Unless Wildflower or Casetify wants to sponsor me and send me some free phone cases, that will definitely help out with me. But I'm just kidding. But yeah, I really want to get that Wildflower case because that one's super cute. I really feel like I'll really use that one like when I take some cute aesthetic pleasing photos. I think that will be a really good case. But yeah, this one's really nice. I really like this one. This has been with me since I got my phone in November, so it's been doing pretty well. So yeah, if you haven't, go check out Walmart cases because they're really good and super cheap. I want to show y'all, this is what my screensaver looks like. It's very aesthetic pleasing, and to let you all know, I have all like the little pictures, whatever pictures you see like on here, they're all from Pinterest. So I get all my pictures, they're aesthetic theme, I get all from Pinterest. So if you're wondering, I have a Pinterest account, so you can go follow me. So yes, let me show you all this. So it shows this beautiful, aesthetically pleasing beach vibes, and then you have a picnic, and it's like gorgeous. So now I'm gonna screen record my phone. My screen protector. This is the lock screen photo I have on my phone. So like I told y'all before, it's beach vibes, you know, at a picnic, drinking some wine, eating yummy food. So that's what I have on my lock screen. So that's what I have on my lock screen. So now we're in my home screen. So this is like my front of my home screen. So I have dream board, my goals of 2021. So like just some cute pictures. I made a collage from Canva and I just put it on my home screen. So up top you have my color widgets, and I have my date, month, and day. So it tells me, and it also tells me how much battery percentage I have. Aesthetic theme of brown. And then right here, down here, I have another Widget Smith, and it's the color theme of the aesthetic hearts that are like very popular right now. So I have that little heart, just like a brown theme on my, and then I have another one down here that has coffee. It's very aesthetically pleasing, so it kind of goes with the vibe of my brown theme. And then up top, you know, I have the regular, the phone, the camera, the photos, the mail, the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and then down at the bottom I have my Snapchat Instagram, YouTube, and then my Apple Music. So we're gonna go to the next slide, and I have this other Widget Smith, and it's just like a body picture right here, just like that. And then I have right here is my YouTube Studios, my YouTube Tracker. If you're a YouTuber, you all know these apps are very helpful for helping your YouTube growth and you know about your YouTube analytics and stuff like that. And then next right under it, I have my editing app. So I have my camera connectors where I connect my camera to my phone. So if I want to screenshot a picture from my video. Next I have my VSCO and I have Canva. I have my PixArt. I have my Fonto, and then I have Facetune. Where is my other Facetune? I have Facetune 2 on here. And then next is like my shopping little category because I love shopping. So I have Fashion Nova, Amazon, Pretty Little Thing, Zaful, Shein, Missguided, Princess Polly, Brandy Melville, and Zara. And then I have another wish list of me, you know, just to go with the brown theme. Even this photo was like perfect because I was wearing a brown shirt and it was kind of like a brown theme, so I put that there. Then I have another Widget Smith, and it's just my boyfriend and I need to update that photo to like a better aesthetic theme right there. So I need to tell him if I take a picture of wearing brown or white. Next I have Disney Plus, I have my Netflix, I have my finance, I have all like my accounts for like money, and then I have my music. So this is like my Shazam, SoundCloud, and Rain. So that's my first 2 slides of my phone. And also for the new iOS update, this is where you keep all your apps are in these little folders. This is kind of like messed up, but like I said, I have extra ones. I have my camera. All of these, I have Lightroom, I have Fonto, I have my PixArt, I have my Prequel, I have Retouch. If you haven't Retouch, it's awesome. Then I have my TubeBuddy, and then I have my other basic apps. And then I have my other entertainment, so I have my Spotify there. I didn't put that one in there yet. And then I have my utilities, just like the Apple Store, the calculator, Chrome, the clock, color widgets, find my iPhone, Safari, settings, wallet, YouTube Tracker, my finance, productivity, and then these are just random. And then I have these games. So I have these games just like Subway Surfer, and then these are the ones that my nieces play with, so they're still on my phone. And then I have Peppa Pig. Trust me guys, I don't play Peppa Pig. Or I have like some school ones, and then just like random stuff that I couldn't delete on my phone. They're just down here at the bottom. Like, what does everyone want to do? Color widget or Widget Smith. You can watch my recent video of how I like did the new iOS 14, how I decorated my phone. I have a video and I have it linked up down here or here. It's right here. So yeah, guys, if you want to learn how to decorate your phone a certain way, this is just like the new update of my phone. I got really tired of the little icon fonts that were over my like Snapchat or my Instagram. It was getting really tiring after a while. Just like it would just bother me, so I just went back to like the original, just like how my phone looks. Not a really pretty theme, but you know, I could see all my things, and I have all my main apps here. I put like the random stuff up front, but like my go-to stuff towards the second row. Sometimes I just switch it up. Sometimes what apps I use the most, I'll just switch them up and just remove it from my home screen. But other than that, booze, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget, like I said, I did theme how to use the new iOS 14. It's a really cool update that everybody was all into, from TikTok, from YouTube, from Instagram. Like everybody's all on it. You can go do some crazy themes on your phone, and people were going like extra on their phone. But like after all, I kind of stopped, so I just went just little themes that I would do on my phone. And other than that, I really like how it came out. I love my home screen. I love like the widgets, how it came out. I like kind of like the brown theme now. I just like the vibe. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because that means so much to me and for my channel to give y'all more video ideas. If you have any video ideas, leave a comment down below. Oh, before, guys, look, I'm wearing a headband. I'm trying to be a little bit trendy. It was very hard for me to get this headband and then like some piece of hair. I was having a really hard time. But if y'all like my hairdo, I tried something different in my hair. I think it would be really better if it was curly, honestly. But I feel like I'm like Scooby-Doo vibes. Like, who's that girl name? She has the rose headband. I feel the vibes, and then just, you know, just a jacket hanging off my arm, and just the vibe of it. So yeah, guys, this was my OOTD, and I'm wearing some sweatpants, some blue sweatpants. You know, I'm chilling at home. I'm feeling comfy. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.